Hi students, today we are going to learn a very interesting question on the Math Olympiad equation. What is the sum of the solution of the equation square root of 1 plus again square root of x plus again square root of 6x minus 5 equal to square root of 2 plus square root of x. This is some complicated equation but very simple because many roots are there. Very easy to do the solution. We have to find out all the solution because the question is what is the sum? There is some options. So when we find 2 solution or 3 solution, we have to add all the solutions. What is the sum of all these solutions? Let us check. We are going to start the solution of this equation. Just to rewrite the equation, 1 plus square root of 1 plus square root of x plus square root of 6x minus 5. This is equal to square root of 2 plus square root of x. This is our question. We can find out the solution. See, very simple question. This, when we squaring on the both sides, if there is many square roots are there, only the way squaring on both sides. Now we can take the square on both sides. Very easy to remove this. So when we squaring on both sides, this roots will be removed. This root will be removed and this root also will be removed because we are squaring on both sides. After removing the root, finally we have 1 plus square root of x plus square root of 6x minus 5, which is equal to 2 plus root x. Now this 1 and these 2 are very easy to solve. So square root of x plus square root of 6x minus 5, this is equal to 2 minus 1 plus square root. So 2 minus 1 become 2. This is square root of x. 2 minus 1 become 1. So square root of x plus square root of 6x minus 5 equal to square root of x plus 1. Now also the right hand side is only 2 terms, very easy to taking square. The left hand side is fully there is a square root terms. So again taking squaring on both sides. The this term will be removed. This root will be removed. Then the right hand side will be the whole square. So our square roots will be x plus square root of 6x minus 5, which is equal to root x plus 1 the whole square. Now the left hand side no need to disturb, let it be continue. The other right hand side is, the left hand side no need to do anything because the right hand side we are going to expand. The x plus square root of 6x minus 5 equal to the right hand side. What is a plus b the whole square? A plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Just apply this expansion here. So root x the whole square. What is root x the whole square? Root x into root x become x. So first term become x plus 2ab. 2ab is 2 times root x times 1. So 2 root x plus the last term, this is b square. So 1. Now this x will be cancelled. After cancelling, we have the balance terms are 6x minus 5, which is equal to 2 root x plus 1. Again we are doing the squaring on both sides, because the left hand side there is a whole square root. The right hand side also only 2 times, very easy to squaring. So squaring on both sides. We are taking again squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. When we take squaring, definitely we have to do the on the both sides. So the left hand side is, the root will be removed. So this root will be removed. So finally we have 6x minus 5 equal to, the right hand side is 2 root x plus 1 the whole square. Again we can expand in the form of a plus b the whole square. So first term is 2 root x the whole square. 2 root x the whole square equal to 4x, because this square will be common for this 2 and common for this root x. So 2 square is 4 and root x square is x. So the left hand side is the same, 6x minus 5, which is equal to 4x plus 2ab, 2 times 2 root x, 2ab, 2 root x times 1 equal to 4 root x. So the second term is 4 root x plus the last term is b square. 1 square is again 1. Now we can collect and frame an equation that is easy to help, easy to solve. So 6x minus 5, this 4x we are turning to the left side. So minus 4x. This 4 root x also we are turning to the left side. So minus 4 root x. 1 also we are turning to the left side. So minus 1 equal to 0. Now we are doing a small adjustment. So 6x minus 4x become 2x. 2x. Then the next x term is minus 4 root x. Then minus 5 minus 1 become minus 6. Minus 6 equal to 0. Now very beautiful solution, because each and every term we can divide by 2. We can divide 2 on the both sides. So finally we have x minus 2 root x minus 3 equal to 0. Now it is a very simple equation. We can factorize. Listen carefully. Let root x equal to y. We are going to consider root x is y. So what is mean by x? The first term is we have x. That x is, just write root x the whole square. Root x whole square. So this become y square, because root x into root x is x. So y square. Rewrite the terms. Just replace y square minus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. Now we can factorize. See, this is very important. Finally, we will find the value of x. So let root x equal to y. Now we are factorizing and finding. This algebraic expression have y has two values of y. What are the two values? When we multiplied the two values, the product become minus 3. When we added the same value, the addition value is minus 2. First, we can find out the factors of 3. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 3 is 3. But when we are adding, this become 4. Multiplied value is negative. Multiplied value is negative. So one of the value is negative. Added value is negative. So highest value is negative. Now we can write this quadratic equation is into the linear forms of two equation. Here the first value is, the first one is, this is the positive one, other one is the negative one. So y plus 1 times y minus 3, which is equal to 0. Now we have two values of y. Y plus 1 equal to 0, y minus 3 equal to 0. Y equal to minus 1, y equal to 3. We found two values for y, but what is y? Y equal to root x. We have already assumed y equal to root x, or root x equal to y, or root x equal to y. So just to replace this y value, we can replace this y value. This y value is here. So root x equal to, let y equal to minus 1, root x equal to, replace the y value as minus 1. Again we can do the squaring on both sides to get the value of single x. So x equal to minus 1 the whole square. What is minus 1 the whole square? Which is positive 1. So this is one of the x value. This is one of the x value. The other value is also root x equal to 3. The second value is 3. We found the second value is 3. So root x equal to 3. Again take squaring on both sides to remove the root. So x equal to 9. These are the two values of x. We found x equal to 1 and x equal to 9. X equal to 9. We found two values of x. Now we can see the question. Our options are given. X equal 9, sum of the solution 9, 10, 1, 0. So just let us check our answers. X equal to sum of, we can add the sum of these roots equal to, sum is 1 plus 9, sum of these roots equal to 10 is the final answer. Thank you.